Welcome. This video I'll show you how to save password in Brave. Alright, so first off, go to a website that needs a password. Let's say, for example, Facebook right here. I'm going to go ahead and log into another account. Then I'm going to click on login. Okay. After that, a prompt will appear right here. Brave will show a prompt often at the top, or maybe sometimes right here at the very bottom that says, or asking you if you want to save your password. Okay. And some websites let you save or remember your passwords as well, just like Facebook right here. So just click on OK. So it will be easier for you to log into the specific account. So once that's done, to manage your password or your saved password, just go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and go to passwords and autofill. Okay, click on password manager and you will be able to see all of the websites that you've logged in and saved passwords from. Okay. As you can see here, I have here Facebook. I'm going to click on it. And here we have the password of this specific account and this specific account as well. All right. And if you want to delete it, just click on delete. Or if you want to add in some more, just click on add in the website, add in your username and add in your password. So the next time you log into this specific website, okay, it will just automatically log you in. Click on save right here. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.